Hello everyone, I'm Harshit Gupta. I'm currently enrolled in the integrated MTech course in IIT Roorkee, and my branch is geophysical technology, and it comes under an unconventional branch right now. It's called the Earth Science branch, and yeah, as compared to the conventional one like the you can say mechanical civil branch, it's relatively unconventional, but yeah, it's emerging as the you can say the future conventional branch in India as well as abroad as well. So I'm also an ex-Vibrant student. I've taken my classes from 11th and 12th from Vibrant only, and thereafter I got selected in the geophysics branch over there. So first of all, what we have in this branch is basically we have two verticals. One is geology and another one is the geophysics. So in geology, mostly what we do is we see the surface, you can say the surface features, and interpret the processes that might have created it and what will be the future of that area. And in geophysics, that is my branch. So what we do is we basically, without going inside the earth, we map the earth, we produce an image of the earth, and that's used in various, you can say, purposes like environmental purposes, in oil industry, in building constructions as well. So basically in this field there are a lot of opportunities you can abroad, like you name any of the, you can say, the top universities like MIT, Harvard, Stanford, Colorado School of Mines, you name any of these universities, it has one of the divisions of earth sciences present in there, and that division is one of the most sought after division in those universities. So after doing you can say the BTech and MTech over here in IIT Roorkee, people, they go out for doing the further studies like MS or even PhDs. They get full scholarship for that, and they pursue that in universities like MIT and Harvard and Stanford universities. So I myself have interned in one of the most prestigious universities in the world. It's called the King Abdullah University of Science and Technology, or in short KAUST. So it has a dedicated program through which you have to apply, you have to clear interviews, and then finally you have to get selected. So I was one of the, you can say, few people to represent India over there. It's situated in Saudi Arabia, and therein I got exposed to a, you can say world-class research facilities over there, world-class facilities, different divisions like mathematics, like physics, like computing. They all are working together in harmony with the earth sciences department to produce something, you can say, for the future, even for the Mars exploration as well. So basically this branch, it has a very good and very wide scope if you pursue it. And finally, coming to the packages, if you are inclined more towards the industrial side, so a lot of industries are there which you can go after. If you are considering India, so in India we have PSUs like ONGC, we have Oil India, and in multinational companies as well, which have offices in India and abroad, like Schlumberger, like Shell, like ExxonMobil. All these are multinational companies in which we get placed. These come for placements as well in the IITs, and you get placed, and after that you get opportunities to go abroad, see the world-class facilities over there in the industries. These industries, they mainly focus on the, you can say, the oil and gas exploration, and these energy, basically the energy sector, it's like that. When you are going abroad, like when you are applying for abroad universities for further studies also, so what happens is they look in for some of the features in you or some of the qualifications in you when you apply over there, because you have to represent India over there, so you must be having some qualifications, some you can say some qualifications like like an IESO is the International Earth Science Olympiad, in which for the stage 1 only like 20 to 30 students they get selected, and for the stage 1, and then finally only about 4 students they get to represent India at the international level. So having those certificates with you when you apply abroad is definitely a plus point, and it's the can say it's the thing that those universities they look in when they are selecting the candidates abroad. So clearing these Olympiads, it's a very, you can say it's a good point, it's a plus point for you to go in abroad.